Boring plain QR codes are officially dead. Today, I'm showing you how to transform any link into stunning, fully scannable AI artwork in 60 seconds with zero setup required. First, open your browser and head to Hugging Face or QuickQR AI. No credit cards, no software downloads, just pure web magic. Next, paste your target URL into the link box. This is where your code will send people. Now comes the fun part, the prompt. Type in whatever visual style you want. You could ask for a cyberpunk neon city, a cozy anime cafe, or a lush watercolor forest. Before hitting generate, set your QR strength to around 0.9. This sweet spot keeps the artwork gorgeous while ensuring your camera can actually scan it. Click generate, give it just a few seconds, and boom, your custom AI QR code is ready. Pull out your phone, test the scan, and start sharing. If this helped you today, drop a like and subscribe for more quick AI tips.